In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DuckDuckGo email. DuckDuckGo email protection is a privacy-focused feature that allows you to create a personalized @duck.com email address. Instead of exposing your personal email everywhere online, you can use this address to receive messages while DuckDuckGo forwards them to your existing inbox. Along the way, it helps remove many hidden email trackers, giving you an extra layer of privacy without changing how you normally use email. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete setup process from start to finish. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser app on your phone. Before getting started, make sure you're using the latest version of the app, as newer versions often provide the best experience and access to the latest features. Once the browser is open, locate the menu icon on the screen. Depending on your device, this may appear as 3 dots in one of the corners of the browser window. Tap the menu icon to reveal additional options, and then select Settings. This section contains DuckDuckGo's privacy tools, browser preferences, and customization features. Scroll through the available options until you find Email Protection, then tap on it to continue. When the Email Protection page opens, select the option to Get Started or Enable Email Protection. DuckDuckGo may display a brief introduction explaining how email forwarding works and how trackers are removed from incoming messages. Follow the prompts displayed on the screen to proceed with the setup. Next, choose the @duck.com email address you would like to use. Try selecting a name that is easy to remember and convenient for sharing. If your preferred address is unavailable, simply try a variation until you find one that can be registered. After selecting your address, enter the email account where you would like your messages to be forwarded. This should be the inbox you already use regularly. DuckDuckGo will send incoming messages there while helping protect your privacy by removing many hidden tracking elements. To complete the process, open your regular email inbox and look for a verification message from DuckDuckGo. Open the message and follow the instructions provided, typically by clicking a verification link or button. If the email doesn't appear immediately, check folders such as spam or promotions. Once verification is complete, your new @duck.com email address will become active. Any messages sent to it will be forwarded to your existing inbox with added privacy protection. If you ever need to review your address or adjust settings, simply return to the DuckDuckGo browser, open the menu, go to Settings, and select Email Protection. You now have a privacy-friendly @duck.com email address that's simple to use, easy to share, and designed to help keep your personal email address more private online. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.